before eh, US Bank, Wells Fargo. Wells Bankero. Bankera tawagin na. Okay naman.
Honey, delay ang flight due to weather condition. Malakas yung bagyo sa Hong Kong. So, delay ang flight namin. Kain muna kami. Ano? Tama ko si tropa. Dito na ako sa Hong Kong. Kakalapag lang namin.
Typhoon, which has just made landfall west, well, 200 kilometers west of Hong Kong, Typhoon Chapa. It has been affecting the Hong Kong area with very strong winds, thunderstorms, and rain. A lot of the aircraft this morning that were arriving in Hong Kong were going around and diverting to other airfields, and that's why we delayed the flight. The weather has got a little better there, however, it is still windy there, and there is still the occasional rain showers and thunder showers with a temperature of 27 degrees Celsius. Just prior to top 10, I'll get back to the updated weather in the ETA. Our flight time today is going to be 1 hour and 34 minutes, and your flight service manager, Gigi, will shortly be showing a safety video of the purchase of this aircraft as you pay attention to your own safety. I also ask that when seated, that you keep your seatbelts fastened even when the seatbelts on or off in case of unexpected turbulence. Once again, sorry for the late departure, and try to enjoy the flight, and we'll get you there safely and on the ground in the next couple hours. Thank you.
Dear passengers, to ensure safe flying experience and mitigate any potential risks.
Naka-note na sa flight reader. I know.
Pasakay na ng aeroplano. Papunta na ang Hong Kong.
Galing discount. Nakita ko lang din sa kasama ko, ganun ginawa.
Ito. May 20 pa ako. Thank you. Ilang dollars to miss? Ilang dollars? Ilang dollar? Okay.
Ano camera mo?